Zimbabweans unite to defend the constitution as opposition leaders join forces against the 2030 agenda. Sarabina mashukobda pango inachona kuti aiwa opposition members waya vachiunita kustopa vision 2030 for subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina munamu mdani kwa mchenzi. Citizens hope rejuvenated as defend the constitution platform launches amidst growing concerns over government intentions. Zimbabweans are rallying behind the newly launched Defend the Constitution platform, CDP, a non-partisan coalition aimed at protecting the country's supreme law from potential amendments that could extend presidential tenure beyond 2028. The DCP, formed in Gweru on December 14, 2025, brings together individuals from various sectors, including politicians, civic organizations, labor unions, faith-based groups, and the residents' associations. The platform's primary goal is to defend the constitution and ensure its implementation, particularly in areas of governance, accountability, and citizens' rights. Senator nelsonchamisa, convener of the DCP, emphasized that defending the constitution is a patriotic duty, stating, "The constitution does not belong to political elites or legal strategists. It belongs to the people, and no court process should be misused to dilute that foundational truth." The platform's launch comes amidst growing concerns over the government's intentions to amend the constitution, potentially paving the way for an extension of presidential tenure to 2030. The DCP has adopted the People's Resolution, a citizen-driven response to the government's proposed amendments, which affirms that presidential term limits are constitutional safeguards and not subject to change. Prominent opposition leaders have joined the platform, lending their support to the cause. The DCP has also established a national working committee to guide and coordinate its activities, with key roles assigned to various coordinators. As the nation awaits the government's next move, Zimbabweans are urged to join the Defend the Constitution platform and stand united against any attempts to undermine the constitution. The platform's leaders have vowed to take peaceful, lawful action to protect the supreme law and defend the country's future. Toma developments aripo panguva ine muri Zimbabwe. Pene comment section medu za funguro emo tukulipa msoro bezvitu izvi. Subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.